it's Plush 2X, and today I'm going to show you the easy way to make a cover for your closets with simple household stuff like laundry bag or pillowcase. Alright, now some closets, they come closed, and then there's some that are open. I have both of them, so let me show you how you can make your own closet cover to keep your stuff from being dust free and a little privacy. Now yeah, these ones are the common ones here, you know, the ones with the zippers, the big one. But you know, I don't have much space for the big one, so I got one. And a long time ago I found a smaller one, like with the hangers and stuff too, like the same way that these big ones are, because you know they usually have like the small ones like this, but they're not hanger ones. They're like, you know, they're cubes and stuff like that. But I found one which was like a hanger, which is this. And what happened was the material, I had it for so long, the material deteriorated. And I didn't want to throw it out because it was so unique, you know. It's like, okay, a nice little space for hanging stuff. So I decided, okay, I'm going to make a cover for this and, you know, rip off the deteriorating cloth part. And now I got 2 pillowcases and I sliced them in half. Now, it's really simple to get pillowcase. You could buy, if you want like a decoration, pillowcase got decorations too, but if you can go buy fabrics in the store by the yard. But, hold on, let me zoom back. But it's more expensive to buy, you know, by the yard. So you could just go cheap, go to the dollar store, get you 2 pillowcases and cut it in half. And then pin it up here. Now, I did one section and another section, and then I did the back. So that's, when you cut it in half, you're going to get 1, 2, 1, 2. That's 4, which will circle all the way around. As you see, I had to cut off the old material because it was like a paper deteriorating. It's almost like this material, but this is a little stronger. And this one here, I had longer than this one. So yeah. And then I covered it. And I used to have my shirts on here, but the shirts was taking too much space. And so I wanted it for my outfits. So then when this deteriorated, before I came up with this cover thingy, I bought another one. I bought this one here. And then I started putting my shirts here. And I noticed that this actually saved me more space. When I used to put my shirts here, I used to hang up my shirts. It will hang up like, you know, a certain amount. You know, it's only like a bit of room here. And I used to put them in color coordination, you know, from light to dark and whatever. It was easier for me to do with the hanger. But over here, it saves me more space because I fit all of that I hung up on just 2 blocks. And I still have 2 more blocks. So this saved me more space, but it's harder for me to put my shirts in, you know, in order without having to move everything. So now they're not in color order like it was hanging up. But that's all right because I have more space now. Because, yeah, this only takes up 2 blocks. And as you can see, I cut up. Now these things here, when you buy them, they don't come with this. I noticed they don't come with this. I had to cut up some cardboard. It's another idea of mine. So that it can hold the shape and keep it firm. Because other than that, as much, like this is a lot of shirts, it would have started denting in. Like, it would have started caving in like this. And that's what was happening. And that's when I came up with the idea to put the cardboard in there to keep it stiff and be able to hold some weight. So that's another idea you can do with these things, because I know some don't come, you know, all like this, which I think they should. It will make this a better closet organizer. And yeah, now I also made a cover for this because this came open like this, and like I said, I don't like my stuff like all open too much because sometimes I have a lot of clothes and I don't wear some too often, and I don't want to catch in dust. So I made a cover for it. Now this here I made out of old laundry bag. I had an old laundry bag. Like this is the material here. This material that this closet thing came from. Now this material, the laundry bag, it had ripped. As you can see, it had ripped over here. So I decided I'm gonna cut it up and just use it as a cover. And the part that ripped, I decided to double up on it. So yeah, I got better laundry bags now. These ones here is a better material. You see, they're not. They last longer because they're made out of, I don't know what material this is, but they're more sturdy than this cloth-like one here. So instead of throwing it out, I decided to make use of it and make this nice little cover for my closet. And that's it for the tour. Well, not really a tour of my closet, but just me giving, you know, some quick information on how you can make a cover for your closet organizer. All right, bye. Spicy wax.